What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Auto Reviews video. Today I'm taking a test drive in the 2016 Chevy Traverse 2LT. If you guys want to see a full walk around of this car, make sure you go back to my channel and look at the previous video I uploaded, and you will see a full walk around and demo of this vehicle. On this video, we're just going to be taking a test drive in it, showing you guys how this car performs on the road and on the highway. Now, just a little bit about this car before we get going. This car does have a 3.6 liter V6 motor, which produces 281 horsepower and 226 feet-pound of torque at about 3,200 RPMs. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission and gets 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. This car does have towing capabilities and can tow up to 5,200 pounds. So real good towing. Let's see how it performs though. If you guys do like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. And if you guys know somebody shopping for one of these cars, make sure you go ahead and share this video with them and help them out as well. If you're looking for another type of car, go ahead and go to my channel and look through my videos. I have a ton of different vehicles on my channel. So with that being said, let's go ahead and make this happen. Go ahead and I'll show you guys the reverse first. Here's the backup camera. Now this car does have parking sensors, so let me see if I can get those to work for me. I'll back up, get close to one of these cars, see if it starts to beep at me. Yep, see, there you go. As you get close to it, you notice that the beeping not only it gets louder, and it shows you where you're getting close to hitting at. And see, now it went to red, telling me I'm really too close. That's kind of annoying, so let's go ahead and go. Now you do not get those parking sensors on the front of the car, only on the rear, which is really where you need it the most, I think. The seat on this car is really comfortable, actually. All of the seats in this car are really comfortable, whether that's the third row, middle row, or the front seat right here. It's not a lot of support. It's not super bolstered, but it's not a sports car, so I wasn't expecting it to be. But it does have a really nice, soft, comfortable seat. Initial thoughts. Super quiet. You can barely hear any road noise on the car, and definitely no motor noise, so I'm loving that. Steering on the car feels pretty good, pretty solid. It's not the tightest steering, but it's not bad. I noticed when I made that corner right there, I definitely felt a little bit of roll in the car, and I definitely noticed I kind of got thrown into the middle of the car a little bit. So definitely felt that. Now, once I get going here to the right, I'll go ahead and do a nice little acceleration pull for you guys. Actually, there's some construction going on, so let me wait till after this construction. Okay. Brakes leave something to be desired. I don't know if... Oh, tires actually chirp just a little bit. Not bad at all. Obviously, you're not looking for, speed racer or nothing here. All you're looking for is to make sure that the car has enough power to safely go down the road. See how it gets up to 60, 65 highway speed in California. Took a little bit of time there. I don't know the exact time. I'll maybe watch the video back and put that exact time up for you guys from 0 to 60. But definitely feels good. Once again, I noticed it's pretty quiet. The shifting is really smooth, actually. Like I said, this is 6-speed automatic transmission, whereas most people are going for the CVT transmission now. Oh, and another thing to bring up, this car does have all-wheel drive, so maybe that's part of the acceleration I'm feeling as well. You can see if you're at 40 and you need to accelerate, no problems doing so. Yeah, no problem at all. Nice thing, you can reach all the way over here to the screen. Okay, you can reach everything without having to move in the seat too much, so I really like that. Visibility in the car is decent. Definitely some blind spots in it, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. I do like this car a lot. It's very comfortable to drive. I have a ton of space. My legs aren't, hitting anything. So that's all really, really nice. Let me see. Let me get... see if we can get one more going here for us. This car does not have any kind of like sport mode or anything like that. Woo. Now we're moving. No problems getting up to speed. You guys should be really, really safe in this car. With that being said, guys, that is going to wrap it up for the test drive of this car. If you like this video, make sure you give that a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more content. And like I said at the beginning, if you guys want to see a full walk around of the car, make sure you go to my channel and check that out. Last thoughts on this car before I end this video. Really, really, really nicely built car. Seems to be really nice quality. You have all of these really nice soft touch materials inside. Everything is laid out very easily and very simply, which is a very good thing in a world that's so filled with technology and overcrowding. Infotainment system could definitely be upgraded. The 2016 does not have the best infotainment system in it, but the infotainment has to be the only complaint in the car. Well, sorry, let me get back. The acceleration is also kind of sluggish. Other than the sluggish, power and the infotainment system, everything else on this car is definitely a 10 out of 10. So definitely buy it. With that being said, thank you guys all for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you guys all on the very next episode. Thanks.